Hello, I-Believers! Welcome to episode 3. And this is I Believe, hosted by yours truly, Shanti. Hey little scientists! Do you want to learn about capillary action and color mixing? Well, this one is for you. Capillary action is the process of a liquid flowing in a narrow space without the assistance of, or even in opposition to, any external forces like gravity.
Holy dumpty doody do, bod, bodity boddy bod.
Oh, nandito ka na pala, Conquer Bear! Ka-I-Believers, ipapakilala ko nga pala sa inyo yung ating guest na si Conquer
Holy
Bear.
dumpty do.
At siya ang sasama sa atin sa ating experiment ngayon na Walking Water Rainbow. Oh, handa ka na ba, Conquer Bear?
Yes, I'm ready.
Kayo ba, I-Believers?
Ready.
Handa na ba kayo? Kung handa na kayo, let's start with the materials. Things we need: 5 clear glasses or cups, water, 3 food coloring, spoon, paper towel. Ka-I-Believers, dahil ang gagawin natin ngayon ay walking water rainbow, nakaisip na ba kayo ng problem? So ang problem natin ngayon is, how can the water be transferred from the water-filled glass into the empty glass using a tissue? Ang problema natin, paano natin mai-transfer yung water from a water-filled glass into an empty glass without using external force or gravity o hindi natin siya ibubuhos? So, meron tayong tatlong hypothesis. Letter A. The tissue will absorb the water from the end to the rest of it, making it transfer to the empty glass. Letter B. The tissue will just change its color. Or letter C. The tissue will just be damaged. So, magsimula na tayo. So, ang una natin gagawin is lalagyan natin ng water yung ating glasses. So, yung first glass lalagyan natin. And then, skip natin yung second glass. Ang lalagyan naman natin ay ang third glass. And then, skip ulit tayo ng isang glass. Ang lalagyan na natin ay yung fifth glass. Yan. And then, we're going to add the food coloring. So, kailangan nyo dito ng 3 different colors ng food coloring. Ang meron tayo ngayon ay yellow, red, and blue.
Yellow food color.
Then, pagka-add nyo ng food coloring, stir nyo lang siya. Ganun ulit.
Red food color.
Lagay natin ang food coloring. And then, stir. Lagyan natin yung food coloring.
Blue food color.
And then, stir. So mga ka-I-Believers, ang susunod natin gagawin is fold natin yung ating paper towel. Pwede rin naman kayong gumamit ng tissue. Sa mga ka-I-believers kanina, kinat ko na yung ating paper towels into half para mas manipis siya. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin is ifo-fold natin siya ng pahaba. Pagkatapos nating i-fold yung ating paper towel ng pahaba, i-fold naman natin siya into half para makagawa tayo ng V-shape. And ito yung magagawa natin. So, kailangan natin ng 4 na paper towel na naka-V-shape. Yan, mga ka-I-believers. So ngayon, meron na tayong 4 na paper towel na naka-V-shape. Ngayon naman, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating glasses. Yan. So as you can see, the water is curling up to the tissue. And there we go. Ngayon, ang kailangan na lang natin gawin, mga ka-I-believers, is leave it for 2 hours. At babalik tayo para sa ating results. See you! So mga ka-I-believers, after 2 hours, look at how the water walked through the tissue. Yellow and red became orange, red and blue became violet. This process of water walking is called capillary action. It illustrates the tissue that acts like the roots of the plant, which absorb the water, then it brings it to the stem and the leaves, same as the tissue absorb the water from the cup and brings it into the empty cup. So mga ka-I-believers, do you have your own list of observations? Well, here's mine. First, the colored water travels up the paper towel by this thing called capillary action. Second, you can observe that the colored water gets transferred into the empty glass through the paper towel. And third, the water keeps flowing into the other glass until they attain an equal amount of water in all of them. Mga ka-I-believers, naiisip niyo ba yung naiisip ko rin? Tama! It reminds us of a rainbow. So mga ka-I-believers, kung tatanungin niyo, ano nga ba yung purpose ng ating paper towel? The purpose of our paper towel is to transfer the water from one glass to another. And this process of liquid flowing from one place to another is what we call capillary action. I therefore conclude that the tissue can absorb the water from the end to the rest of it, making it transfer into the empty glass. In our experiment, the tissue was a capillary or thin tube. Water flows upwards due to the cohesion, natural bonding of water molecules to each other, and also due to the adhesion of water molecules to the stem materials. Mga ka-I-believers, tune in next time for more fun experiments. Bye!
Bye, ka-I-believers!